Hey, good morning. 2 minutes, I'm starting. Okay. Yeah, good morning, everyone. So let's start the session now. I'm sorry. I'm audible? Hello. Yeah, guys, am I audible?
Yeah, audible.
Okay, so let's start it. Okay, so let's use, first of all, okay, guys, so what is Azure Data Engineering? So when we talk about the, yes, guys, when we talk about the Azure Data Engineering, everyone, okay. So when we talk about the Azure Data Engineering. So guys, here you have what's that? Azure is nothing but the name of the, yes, name. Azure is nothing but it is the name used by the Microsoft. Azure is nothing but it is the name used by the Microsoft, guys, everyone, okay. Azure is nothing but the name used by the Microsoft. So Azure is nothing but it is the name used by the Microsoft to market their cloud services. Okay. So like we have the more supermarket is there, everyone. So we have what is it? The more supermarket. So guys, what does the more supermarket does? It is into the sale of the grocery stores. It is into the sale of what is that? Grocery stores. Am I right? So that is something, but more supermarket is into the sale of grocery store, where the more supermarket is owned by, yes, guys, the more supermarket is owned by what is that? It is owned by what? Birla. Am I right or not? In the same way here also, the Azure is nothing but it is the name used by the Microsoft. It is the name used by the Microsoft to market their cloud services. To market their what is that? Cloud services. Everyone, okay. To market their cloud services. Okay. So guys, we have what is that? The Azure is nothing but it is the name used by the Microsoft to market their cloud services. So data is nothing but what, guys? Information. Okay. Data is nothing but what? Information. And then you have what is it? Engineering. So what in my engineering, guys? Engineering is nothing but the application of techniques on the data. What is that? Application of techniques on the data. So overall, I can say application of techniques on the data by using the Microsoft Azure. So this is called as what? Azure Data Engineering. So when we talk about the Azure Data Engineering, so the Azure Data Engineering is a bunch of cloud services. Guys, it is the bunch of what is that? Cloud services. So Azure Data Engineering is nothing but it is a bunch of what is that, guys? Cloud services. So Azure Data Engineering is a bunch of what is that? Cloud services. So what are the services we have it, guys? Let us see this. The first one I can say, guys, here is called as what is it? Data migration. It is called as what? Data migration. Then we have the next one as what? Data integration, data migration, data integration. Then we have the data summarization, data summarization, data summarization. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. We have what's that? Data migration, data integration, data summarization. Okay. The next one is what? Data summarization. This guys data summarization. And finally, you have what is a data visualization, guys. Finally, you have what's a data visualization. So these are the techniques or these are the jobs we can do it by using the Azure data engineering, everyone. So the Azure data engineering provided by the Microsoft. What is that? Provided by the Microsoft. Provided by the Microsoft can, guys, can you see it? Can, everyone, the Azure data engineering, which is provided by the Microsoft, can perform the following jobs. What is that? The first one is called as what is that? Data migration. So the guys, what is data migration, data integration, data summarization, and data visualization? So these are all the tasks we have it. So everyone is following. Please respond here, guys. Please, I want a reply from all of you. Okay, say something, yes or no. Yeah, everyone is following.
Yes.
So guys, so I'll repeat it once again. So Azure Data Engineering is nothing but it is a bunch of cloud services. It is a bunch of cloud services, guys. It is a bunch of cloud services, everyone. It is a bunch of, okay, cloud services. It is a bunch of cloud services. Okay, it is a bunch of cloud services, everyone. Azure Data Engineering is nothing but it is a bunch of it is a bunch of cloud services. Just give me 1 minute, second time. Okay. So guys, what is it you have it? Azure Data Engineering is nothing but it is a bunch of cloud services where the following are the tasks we can perform it by using the following. We can perform it by using the Azure Data Engineering. What is that? The first one is data migration, data integration, data summarization, data visualization. Now, when it comes to this Azure Data Engineering, as you know, is it's a bunch of cloud services. What are the cloud services we have it? The first cloud service I can say, guys, ADF. The first cloud service you can say it as what, guys? ADF. Just a minute, guys. The first cloud service you can say it as what? ADF. And the second cloud service you can say it as what, guys? Everyone, ADB. Azure Databricks. Okay. Then the third cloud service we can have it as what is it? ADF, ADB. Then you can have Synapse, ADF, ADB, Synapse. Then you have what is that? ADF, ADB, Synapse. Okay, guys. ADF, ADB, Synapse. Then we have it as what? That is nothing but Open AI. Then you have what is that? Azure Machine Learning. ML stands for what, guys? Machine Learning. And then we can also have one more service that is called as what? Azure Fabric. Anyways, apart from this, you have many more services are there, but I'm just listing out few of them, guys. Okay, what's it? ADF, ADB, Synapse, OpenAI, machine learning, and the Fabric. So these are all the, yes, guys. These are all what is it? You have it. These are all the everyone. These are all the bunch of cloud services. Okay. So Azure Data Engineering includes the following. What is that? Following cloud services which consisting of what is that? Data migration job, data integration job, data summarization job, data visualization job. These four jobs can be done by using the following services. Make sure here we call it as services, guys, not the products. Here we call it as what? Services. Here we call it as what, guys? Services. Just a minute, guys. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Please, 1 minute. Just 1 minute, guys. Just searching out for the link. Okay. So, guys, sorry. Okay. Now let's. Okay. Sorry. I'm resharing you the screen. So guys, here you are. Azure Data Engineering is nothing but it is a bunch of cloud services. That cloud services are what is that? Yes, guys, that cloud services are what? That is the bunch of cloud services. The following are the cloud services we have. What's that? ADF, ADB, Synapse, OpenAI, machine learning, and Fabric. These are all the cloud services. These are all what is that, guys? Cloud services provided under the Azure Data Engineering, where these cloud services that is where Azure Data Engineering is a bunch of cloud services, and using these cloud services, guys, we can perform the following task. What is that? We can perform the data migration job, data integration job, data summarization job, and as well as the data visualization job. So these are all the tasks we can perform it. So let us see first of all, what is a data migration job? Everyone, what is a data migration job? Let's try to understand the same. So before we move ahead with this, let us try to understand each one of them individually, guys. So when it comes to the data migration, so guys, what do you mean data migration? Let us see an example here. So let us try to see an example. First of all, before that, I will tell you, okay, what is an on-premises? Guys, everyone, what is an on-premises? Guys, everyone, what is an on-premises and what is a cloud? Let's try to understand the difference between these two first, okay? So to understand the data migration, we should understand what is that? Basically the on-premises, okay? What is an on-premises and what is a cloud here? Let's try to understand these two things, guys. If you are clear with this, then no problem. You can just do all the things, okay, guys? So here you have it on-premises and what is it? Cloud here. On-premises and what is it? Cloud. What is an on-premises system and what is a cloud system? Let's try to understand the same. Now, guys, for this, everyone, for this now, let's say that we all use the mobile phones. Am I right, everyone? Guys, we all use mobile phones or not? Yes, guys, we all use the mobile phone. So whenever we use a mobile phone, everyone, or whenever you buy a mobile phone, you will go to the shop and buy a mobile phone. Now, before buying the mobile phone, what are the basically points you are going to consider it, guys? Please tell me. Before buying the mobile phone, what are the points you are going to consider it? So first of all, when you reach the shop, try to buy a mobile phone. When you reach the shop, try to buy a mobile phone. The following are the points you will consider. That is nothing but the storage capacity of the mobile phone and the processing speed. Am I right or not? That means you can say what is the RAM capacity and what is the storage capacity. You will consider it. These are the main two important factors. We use it. So now, guys, suppose you bought a mobile phone with 100 GB as a storage, and then you have what's it 8 GB as a, guys, 8 GB as the processing speed. That's the RAM here. So that means what, guys, you can store up to 100 GB data, and the processing speed of the same mobile is what is it 8 GB. The processing speed of this mobile is what 8 GB, guys, and you can store up to what's it 100 GB. Am I right? So now it means what? You can store the data in this mobile phone only up to 100 GB, not beyond that. Okay, guys, not beyond that. Now the question arises, suppose you have been to a function or a party. When you have been to a function or a party, where you have clicked some photos or pictures, guys, where you have clicked some photos or pictures. Let us say these photos or pictures, okay, or these videos or pictures videos or pictures you have clicked in a party or a function where this is amounting to what is that, guys? This is amounting to 500 GB. In a DSLR camera, you have clicked it. Okay. In the DSLR camera. Now, the next question is, I wanted to store this data, 500 GB data into my mobile phone. Now tell me, can we store this data in my mobile phone? Can you store this data in your mobile phone, guys? Everyone, please respond. Yeah. Can we store the data in the mobile phone? Not possible. Am I right or not? Why? The data capacity here is 100 GB, but the data which you wanted to store is 500 GB. That means 400 times more than the available storage. Yes, guys? 400 times more than the available storage. 400 times more than the available storage, guys. 400 times available than the available storage. So hence this is called as what, guys? So you cannot join, guys, you cannot store the data more than 100 GB into the data, into the mobile phone. Am I right or not? So whereas, guys, so what is the alternative you have it? The next alternative when you want to store the same, you can add an SD card. That is called as what? ScanDisk card you can add it here. Let us say the ScanDisk card you have added is 100 GB. Now, what is the total capacity of your mobile phone after adding the 100 GB as a ScanDisk card, guys? Tell me now. The total capacity now of your the mobile phone is 200 GB, including the ScanDisk card. Yes, guys? So 200. So still you can store it? No. Because the data which you have to store is of 500 GB. The data which you have to store is what is that, guys? 500 GB. The data which you have to store it here as what? 500 GB, and the storage capacity is 200. So you cannot store it. So what is the alternative you have to do, guys? Either you have to buy a new mobile phone, guys. And basically, we don't prefer to buy a new mobile phone in this case. Am I right or not? So rather, instead of buying a new mobile phone, we can suggest, okay, guys, we can suggest, or what we can do here is simply we try to move the data. Simply we try to move the data from the mobile storage memory. Guys, simply we try to store the data from the mobile storage memory to the Google Drive memory. To the Google Drive memory. Okay, to the Google Drive memory. Now, guys, you must be getting it out. What is Google Drive memory? Basically, when you try about the Google Drive memory, by default, it has a 15 GB only. But can we store the 200 or can we store the 500 GB capacity of the data? In fact, for that, everyone. In fact, we can store it for that, guys, everyone. In fact, we can store it up to not only 500 GB, up to whatever the amount you have it. It can be in a gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte, whatever you want, you can store it here. Subject to which, guys, subject to which you require, everyone, subject to which you require the storage capacity. Subject to which you require the storage, that is nothing but the storage capacity. So whatever you want, you can buy it. 15 GB is the free one, and if you want you can buy it here. So whenever we buy and store the 500 GB or 700 GB storage, so simply what we can do, we can now store the data, guys, from your DSLR camera. Now you can store the data into the, guys, now you can store the data into the Google Drive. Next one, now you can store the data into the Google Drive. Now, guys, everyone, so whereas here everyone, yes guys, whereas here everyone, this Google Drive, everyone, the Google Drive, guys, this Google Drive is nothing but it is called as what is, guys, everyone? The Google Drive is called as what, everyone? Cloud data memory. That means the Google Drive is called as what? Cloud data memory. Okay. The Google Drive is called as the cloud data memory. And now, guys, here you have what's that? Google data is called as the cloud data memory. And what is on-premises, guys? On-premises is what? Your mobile phone is called as an on-premises. Your mobile phone is called as what is it, guys? On-premises. Your mobile phone is called as what? On-premises. So hence we can say what's that? Hence we can say what's that, guys? Cloud is nothing but your Google Drive. On-premises is nothing but, can you say on-premises is nothing but your mobile phone. Now, guys, okay, so this is the basic difference you have between the cloud and the on-premises data, guys. This is the basic difference you have between the cloud and the on-premises data. So I hope everyone is clear what is a cloud and what is an on-premises, guys. Yes, please, everyone. Okay, everyone is clear. Please respond, ma. Hello. Okay, so now let's move here, everyone, further with this. So now, when we talk about the data migration, so what is data migration? Data migration is nothing but, guys, whenever we move the data, guys, whenever we move the data from an, yes, guys, from whenever we move the data from an, everyone, whenever we move the data from a on-premises network to the cloud network, whenever we move the data from the on-premises network to the cloud network. So whenever we move the data from the on-premises network to the cloud network, guys, whenever we move the data from the on-premises network to the cloud network, this is called as what is it, guys, everyone? Data migration job. It is called as a job of what is it, guys? Data migration job. This is called as the job of what? Data migration job. Okay. This is called as the job of what is that? Data migration job. So we can say data migration is nothing but moving the data from the on-premises network to the Google Drive is called as what? Data migration. Just like the same thing we do it in my mobile phone, guys. You have some group of pictures are there. Simply we click the move option, select those pictures and click on move. And you want to move to some other storage that is called as the Google Drive. So simply that movement is called as the process of what, guys? Data migration. It is called as a job of what, guys, everyone? Data migration job. It is called as what? Data migration job. So that's it here, guys. The first job, I hope everyone is clear with the data migration. Now, what is the second one? You have the data integration. Let's try to understand here with the help of an example, guys. Guys, everyone. So let's take an example here. What is a data integration, guys? What is a data integration? So when we talk about the, guys, when we talk about the data integration, everyone, when we talk about the data integration, guys, everyone, okay, when we talk about the data integration. So whenever we talk about the Data integration. I'm taking an example here. Suppose you have been to a, can you see here? Reliance Fresh, Reliance Fresh supermarket. You have been to the Reliance Fresh supermarket. Now tell me, the Reliance Fresh supermarket we have it. It is into what business? It is into the sale of the groceries and as well as sale of the fresh vegetables. Am I right? So the following are the vegetables. You can get it there. What are those? The first one is you can say you can get the vegetables from the, that means imported from the various parts of the world. That means the vegetable number one. Let us say this is imported here. Okay, and this Reliance Fresh is, guys, everyone, this Reliance Fresh, whatever we have it, let us say it is located in Mumbai. Everyone, this is located in what's that, guys? Mumbai. It is located in what? Mumbai. Everyone, okay. This is located in Mumbai. And now, this one is the vegetable number one is imported from Madhya Pradesh. That is called as the India. And the next one you have, what is that, guys? It is imported from Tamil Nadu, and this Tamil Nadu, and it is also from India, part of India. And this vegetable number three, you got it from the J&K, that is called as Jammu and Kashmir. And this Jammu and Kashmir is also India, guys. And the fourth one you can say, everyone, the fourth one you can say, this vegetable, you got it from the United States of America. Okay, guys, this you got it from the United States of America. And the fifth vegetable, you have it as, okay, it is brought from, what is it? United Kingdom. Okay, guys, etc. And the sixth vegetable is there, which is brought from Malaysia. Everyone. So, guys, these are all the various vegetables or various vegetables available into the Reliance Fresh. Now, can you see these vegetables which are brought from Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Jammu and Kashmir, US, UK, Malaysia? That means these vegetables are cropped at that particular location. That means the vegetable which you bought it from Malaysia, it is cropped, grown. Yes, guys, it is a cropped and grown in what's it, Malaysia. After that, it has been imported to India. Now it is for sale in towards that Reliance Fresh Mumbai. Now it is for sale in towards that Reliance Fresh. What is it, guys? Reliance Fresh Mumbai. Reliance Fresh Mumbai. So hence we can say, guys, everyone. Hence we can say this the same one is available in the Reliance Fresh Mumbai. So we can say what's that, guys? This process of getting the vegetables from various location and keeping at a place for what purpose, guys? For facilitating the customers or consumers. Okay, for the facilitation of what? Consumers. Okay, for the facilitation of what? Consumers. For the facilitation of the consumers. That means the consumers, for the facilitating the consumers, guys, for facilitating the consumers, everyone, for facilitating the consumer, these vegetables are brought from various locations and kept in a, under the single roof, kept under the single roof. So whereas, guys, this is called as a process of what? Integration. This is process is called as what, guys, everyone? Integration. So whereas the same process here we refer it as what, guys, everyone? The same process here we call it as what? Data integration. That means when instead of vegetables, if it is replaced with the data, then the process is called as what, guys? Data integration. Then the process is called as what? Data integration. This process is called as what, guys? Data integration. So hope everyone is following now. Please respond, guys. Hello. Now, guys, what is the next one? What is the next one you have it, guys? After the data integration, you have the data summarization. So this is a very important topic you have it. What is data summarization? So guys, when we talk about the data summarization, so what is data summarization? I'll take the same example here. I'll take the same example of the Reliance Fresh, guys. So let's copy this and I'm just pasting it here. Now tell me. Now the task here, today's task. What is your task? Your task is to prepare a vegetable curry. Your task is to prepare a veg curry, guys. Everyone. Your task is to prepare a veg curry. Everyone. Your task is to prepare a veg curry. Your task is to prepare a veg curry. So as soon as you thought of, guys, as soon as you thought of, everyone, as soon as you thought of preparing a veg curry, everyone. So as soon as you thought of preparing a veg curry, you will go to the, yes, guys, you will go to the supermarket called Reliance Fresh. And after you go to the Reliance Fresh supermarket, everyone, after you go to the Reliance Fresh supermarket, guys, what is that we have it? You have the following vegetables available. What is that? The first one is the vegetable which is cropped in Madhya Pradesh and made it for sale here in the Reliance Fresh. Okay, and then you have the this vegetable is cropped in Tamil Nadu, India, and it is imported and kept for sale in the Reliance Fresh Mumbai. And this vegetable is from J&K and this is from the UK, USA, UK, and Malaysia. So these are all the vegetables we have it, guys. But now, can you see here, guys? But now can you see here, guys, everyone? Now to prepare this veg curry, do you require all the vegetables or few vegetables, guys? Please tell me now. Yes? Are you going to that is my question is, when you want to prepare a veg curry, you have been to a Reliance supermarket, and there you can say some hundreds of vegetables are available, which is imported from various parts of India and various parts across the globe. Now my question is that, are you going to buy all the vegetables or only those vegetables which is required to prepare your veg curry? Yes, guys, please tell me, everyone. Yes, ma'am, everyone, please respond. My question is, if you're not clear, I'll repeat my question once again. Yes, ma'am. My question is that, if you have been to a Reliance Fresh Mumbai to buy the vegetables, you have a group of 100 vegetables are there. Now, my question is that, are you going to buy only those vegetables which is required to prepare your veg curry, or you're going to buy all the vegetables, guys? Please tell me now. This is a question for you guys. Please. Yeah. Guys, the session should be interactive. Then only we can get the interest as well. Okay. Please respond, guys. Huh? So here what we can do. Yes, everyone. So we are not going to, guys, we are not going to buy all the vegetables. But guys, we are going to, what is that? Choose only those vegetables which is required to prepare the veg curry. So I can say, guys, out of all these vegetables, we are going to, okay, guys, we are going to select some of the vegetables which is required to prepare a veg curry. This process is called as, what is that, guys? This process is called as what? Selection of vegetables. Selection of what is that, guys? Vegetables. Selection of what is that? Vegetables. So here you are going to select the how many vegetables are required to prepare your curry. So let us say we have altogether 100 vegetables are there, out of which we have selected the vegetable number 1, vegetable number 2, then vegetable number 3. Okay, 3 vegetables you have selected. Okay. Now tell me, once you selected the 3 vegetables, what you will do, as soon as you select the vegetables, you get them billed at the counter and you brought them home. You brought them home. So tell me now, as soon as you brought them home, guys, will you start eating the vegetables or there is some process you have to follow? Or is there any due process you follow, guys? So whenever you get the vegetables from the market, so as soon as you get it from the market, will you start eating the vegetables or there is some due process left out, guys? Please tell me. There will be some due process. Am I right? What is that? First of all, after getting the vegetables, you will start the washing of vegetables, guys. So I can say washing or cleaning of vegetables. Washing or cleaning of vegetables, guys. Okay. Washing or cleaning of vegetables. Washing and cleaning of vegetables. The next one is, what is it, guys? Once the vegetables are washed and clean, then cutting and chopping of vegetables. Cutting or chopping of vegetables. And once cutting and chopping is done, finally what you will do, guys? You will start the cooking of vegetables. And now, guys, can you say using this process, you are changing the form of vegetable? Can you say using this process, you can change the form of the vegetables, guys? You can change the form of the vegetable. You can change the form of the vegetables, guys. Okay. You can change the form of the vegetable, guys. You can change the form of the vegetable. Okay. You get from the raw format to the cooked form, guys. Yes. From the raw form to the cooked form. Can we change the format? Yes. Okay, guys. Yes, we can change the form of the vegetables. Yes, guys. We can change the form of the vegetables from the raw form to the cooked form. So hence, further process. What is it you have it? Once the process is completed, guys, once the process is completed here, cooking, everything is done, you will start eating the data. That is, you will start eating the veg curry. So finally, guys, here you have what's it? For the process of eating of vegetables, everyone, for the process of eating of vegetable curry, you have done the following process. What is that? Yes, guys, selection of vegetables, then washing, cleaning, cutting, and chopping of vegetables, and finally eating of the vegetables. Now, guys, technically, can we say here as what's that? Process of extraction. In fact, it is called as what? Extraction of data. You can see here. Technically, we call it as what? Extraction of data. And once our data is extracted, here we perform what's it, guys? Transformation of data. Simply, I'm replacing this vegetables with the data, guys. It is called as what? Transformation of data. And finally, you have what's it, guys? And finally, you have what's that? It is eating now. So we can say loading of data. So guys, here we call it as what? The process of what? Hmm, T, and then we have what's at the process of what? L here. That is called as what? ETL. Extraction, transformation, and loading. So in broad, we can say data summarization is nothing but it is a process where we perform the following job. What is that? Extraction, transformation, and loading. Extraction, transformation, and loading. Okay. Extraction, transformation, and the loading. That is called as what? ETL. Okay, guys, the same process we perform it. Now, once finally the data is loaded into the target system, guys. The data is loaded into what's it? Target system. This is the target system. Further, what happens? Once you load the data into the target system. So here you have what is that? The process of data visualization is left out. What is data visualization? So guys, data visualization is nothing but everyone. The data visualization is nothing but it is the following process. Let us see it here, even that. So guys, data visualization is nothing but it is a process, guys. The data visualization is nothing but it is a process where everyone. Data visualization is nothing but it is a process where, okay, where we visualize the data. So what is my visualization, guys? Visualization is nothing but it is called as what? Analysis of data. What it is called as what? Analysis of data. Let us try to see this, guys. Let us try to see one example on this. Okay. So guys, what is the analysis of data, guys? See, here you have it, everyone. Can you see here? Here you have it, everyone. So here you have what is that? The following are the examples we have it. I'm taking an example. There is a product ID, there is a product rate, and there is a product quantity sold. and date of sales. These are the information you have it. Let's take a same example you have it. What's your product ID, product rate, quantity sold, and then your date of sales is there. So product ID is 1 and the rate is 100 rupees. Guys, quantity sold is 10 pieces and date of sale is today's date. What's the today's date? 08 October 2024. You have the second one is product ID is 2 and you can say 200. Date of sales is that is a quantity sold is 20 and date of sales is 08 slash 10 2024. And then you have again guys the next one product quantity there is a product ID is 1 and 300 and product this one is 10 and let us say here guys uh 07 that is yesterday's sale is also given. Same one. What's that? I'm using it. Product rate. So can you see here? The same product yesterday, the rate was different. And today it is different. Okay. Now see here, everyone. This is the data you have it, everyone. Can you see? This is the data you have it, everyone. Okay. This is the data we have it. Okay. So once the data is here, so first of all, you will start the process here. How do you start the process, guys? Can you see here? You'll start the following process. What is that? Product ID, product rate, product quantity sold, and date of sale. So you will extract the data. First of all, what you will do, guys, you'll perform the process of what? Guys, extraction. First of all, you'll perform the process of what? ETL, that is called as extraction. So what is extraction here? How many columns you require it to find out the, guys, you have to find out the net sales amount. I want net sales amount day wise. Day wise net sales amount I want. When you have day wise net sales amount, guys, here you don't require. Guys, when you require the day wise net sales amount, everyone. Here, when you require the day wise net sales amount, guys, day wise net sales amount when you require it, we will not be, guys, we will not be mentioning the day wise sales means product ID we don't require. So simply I will pull off 3 columns. What are the 3 columns, guys? The 3 columns is product rate, product quantity, and date of sales. 3 columns along with the data. I'll pull it here. When the next one is called as what, guys? Transformation tree. So T, what it does, we have to perform some calculations. So how to calculations? Let us see, guys, here. When the rate of the product is 100 rupees, quantity sold is 10. 100 into 10 means what, guys? I'm doing direct calculation, calculator results I'm giving it. Okay. Again, 200 is the rate of the product. And then you have the 20 is the quantity sold. 200 into 20 means what, guys? Can you tell me? 200 into 10 is what? Everyone. 200 into 10 is what? 2000. 20 is what? 4000. Am I right, everyone? So here you can say, guys, everyone, the net amount here is nothing but called as what? 5000. And the next one here also the same one. What is it? Tell me now what is the 300 into 10 means what, guys? Here you can say 3000. And now 400 into 20 means what, guys? Here you can say 8000. Now what is the total grand sum total here? Yes, guys, everyone. Tell me now. Can we say it the 11,000, guys? Now, see here. This is called as the transformation of data. Final layer is what? Loading of the data. Na? See, the loading of the data, how it appears. So I can say, guys, here, net sales amount. Net sales amount, everyone. Net sales amount, guys. Net sales amount, everyone. Net sales amount. What is the net sales amount, guys? The net sales amount here you can say 5,000. And here you can say 11,000. That's it. So now, guys, What is the next one column? You have it date of sales. Here you can say the date of sales is what, guys? 08 uh, 10 uh, 2024. Here you can say what's that, guys? 07 10 2024. That's it. Now, guys, using these two lines, you can rule out, yes, guys, you can rule out which day sales is more, whether the eighth day sales or the seventh day sales. Now, tell me, according to you, which day sales is more, guys? Yeah, which day sales is more according to you? Yes, guys, you have what is that? Sixth day sales is more, or eighth day sales is more, or the seventh day sales is more, guys? Yes, everyone. Which day sales is more here? We can say, yes, guys, seventh day sales is more than comparatively with the eighth day sales. So whenever you compare one situation with the another situation to take a decision, this is called as what, guys? This is called as what? Analysis of data. It is called as what? Analysis of data. Yes, guys, analysis of data. It is called as what, guys? Analysis of data. This is called as what? Analysis of data. Analysis of data. Okay, guys. In the same way, okay, guys. So, and in the same way, if you want to find out the following, what is that? You wanted to know what is the expected sales you may have it on 9th of October. So 9th of October is what for us? Is it a future, guys? Yes. So whenever you require to find it out, this one, guys, what is the expected sales amount? Everyone, what is the expected sales amount? You may have it here. You may have it here. Okay. What is the expected sales amount? You may have it here. Everyone, what's the expected sales amount? You may have it here on this date, particular date. What is it? 9/10/2024. So this is called as, guys, everyone. This is called as what? This is called as what? This is called as what, guys? Everyone. This is called as what? Everyone. This is called as what? Data science. It is called as what? Data science, guys, everyone. So this is called as what? Data science. So these are the two things we have. What is that? The first one is called as what is that? Guys, analysis of data. And the second one is called as the data science. Data science is nothing but whenever you wanted to predict the future, this is called as the data science. That's it. Okay. So these are all the topics we have covered it here, guys. What is a data migration? What is integration? What is summarization? And what is data visualization? And these are all the, can you see it? These are all the, everyone, these are all the, the products or the services we have it in the Azure data engineering. So as a part of our course, we are going to see ADF, ADB, Synapse, OpenAI, machine learning, and the Fabric, guys. These are all the services we are going to see it as a part of our course. And this duration is around, okay, 100 days, guys. And during this the everyday class recordings will be provided to you, where you will have the recorded sessions. You will get it every day on the daily basis. You will get the recorded sessions, everyone. You will get the recorded sessions, and a complete end-to-end life cycle of the project will be given to you as a part of this. And apart from this, even whatever the things you have, it that is the resume planning, all these things, this would be I'll be helping you out from all this. So that's it, guys, for the day. So my name is Samir, and I'll be faculty for this. And I have around 10 years of experience in IT, and around 3.5 years into this Azure data engineering and various products of the Azure data engineering. So we'll be seeing a complete end-to-end life cycle of the project. So with that, definitely we can try for a better opportunity for you. So that's it, guys, for the day. Thank you everyone for attending this session. And this session, I'll upload it in the YouTube as well. So if you want, you can just go and check on this YouTube. And my YouTube channel is @Cloud Innovatives. That's guys. Okay. So this is the channel we have it. So thank you everyone. And tomorrow also we'll continue the same time. Thank you. Any questions if you have, you can ask me, please. Yeah. Thank you.